Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I organize this small fridge. Let's get right into it. So I'm starting off with removing everything from inside the fridge and just giving it a nice wipe down. As you can see, this fridge doesn't have too much storage. It doesn't have a whole lot of space either, so I'm just trying to utilize my space a little more. We do have 3 drawers at the bottom here, and I'm going to use the first one for my cheese slices and a few things. The second one is going to have our produce, and the last one will have just our overstock. So I'm just showing you here a few containers that I've got from, different places. We have this store here called Bianca. It's a liquidation store, and they have pretty good priced items. The 2 little jugs you see there with the dispensers are from there. They were about $9. This little creamer was from Temu. This egg carton was from Dollar Tree. The 4 containers you see here with the white lids is also from that liquidation place. And then just these clear storage organizers are from the dollar store, and same thing with these ones. Now I'm just making a list of all the labels that I want to make with my Cricut. So these jugs that you see here with the dispensers, I'm actually not going to use them for water. So I'm going to remove the filters, and then I'm going to put the nozzles right back in. I'm actually going to use these, one for apple juice and one for orange juice. My family, this is the 2 main drinks that we have in the house, and it's the one thing that they drink the most of. So I thought it would be a good idea to just put them all in these jugs, and then they're easy to dispense. So you might be wondering what these bins are that say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So what I do is all week I like to kind of put my dinners for the whole week in the refrigerator, already organized, all the things I need in one bin, and this has helped me so much, just keeping everything all together. I kind of got this idea when I used to order from from HelloFresh. I liked that everything came in that one bag, and it just made things so much easier. So now that the fridge has been organized, I wanted to do a little organization around the kitchen as well. I forgot to mention that I got this milk dispenser or nozzle, whatever you want to call it, from Amazon. It was Amazon or Temu, could have been one or the other. But you just, it requires some batteries, and you just place your cup under the nozzle and it pours milk into your cup. We've had our fridge like this for about 2 weeks now, and we're just loving it. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching today's video. If you haven't already, please, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, let me know which organization was your favorite. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye!